Hey guys, Mike here, and today I'm going to show you a quick look into Comet Browser by the folks over at Perplexity AI. Now, I only used Comet Browser for a few days now, and it's been alright. I only have one or two issues with it. First, and this could just be my computer, but the quality on YouTube Shorts seems to be a bit lower than it should be. And the second thing is that when I go to open up a new tab to Google something, it goes into the AI and not a Google search, if that makes sense. Which is fine. I mean, it's just something I have to get used to. Other than that, it's been a good experience. I mean, the game Perplexity AI Pro, I didn't even give them my payment information, which I'll take, by the way. In terms of Perplexity AI itself, the only other ad bot I ever used in the past was ChatGPT, and I can't tell the difference between the two. Some people might, but I don't use AI enough to tell. There is an assistant feature to summarize which site you're on. I think I could do more, but not sure about that. I asked Perplexity AI a few things, like write me a recipe using only 5 or 6 ingredients. Help me learn good out concepts and use cases. And the answer to life, universe, and everything, which is 42, by the way. If you want to check out Comet Browser, I'll leave a link down in the description. This is not a sponsored video. If you guys like this video and want to see more, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe, notification bell, and as always, remember to stay awesome.